Hey guys, welcome back. Today in day 8, part 2, we will talk about enumeration associated value. Yep, we need to make a playground for that. I already made that. And we can review subject over swift.org under language guide and enumeration. Okay, so associated value, what's that? In previous part we reviewed example, and over there we used some cases like this, and each case we had different case for that, like Earth and yeah, here you go. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and this. Okay, so the example in the previous section show how the cases of an enumeration are defined and typed value in their own right. You can set a constant. This is the associated value. So you can set a constant or a variable to planet.earth and check for this value later. So however, it's sometimes useful to be able to store value of other types alongside these cases, this case value. This additional information is called associated value. Just be careful, we have raw value for enumeration. We will go over that in next part. Make sure to watch that video as well to find out difference between these two. So associated value was additional information that we can actually associate to our enum cases, and it varies each time. You can use that case as a value in your code. Okay, so here you go. You can define Swift enumeration to store associated value of any given type, and the value type can be different for each case of the enumeration. So even they don't have to be in the same type if needed. Enumeration similar to these are known as discriminated unions, tagged unions, or variants in other programming languages. For example, okay, here we'll go an example. So we want to do inventory tracking system for two products by two different type of barcodes. So we have some product are labeled with one dimension or 1D barcode in UPC format, which uses numbers between 0 to 9. Each barcode has a number system digit followed by 5 manufacturer code digits and 5 products code digit. These are followed by check digit to verify that the code has been scanned correctly. Also, we have other product label, which is 2D or two-dimension barcode in QR code format, which can use any ISO 8859-1 character and can encode a string up to 2953 character long. So you can see how far this can go. So it's convenient for an inventory tracking system to store UPC barcodes as a tuple of 4 integer and QR code barcode as a string of any length. Okay, so here you go. This is how we can define this barcode. So here you go. We make a barcode. Case 1 is UPC with four, tuple of 4 digits of integer, and case QR code, which is an string. So then we can assign a value to them like this. So product barcode UPC gonna be this guy. Product barcode. Now when we have that one, we can use we don't have even use barcode. But if I don't use barcode, we can get error, but we can fix this with using a type. Yes, it's gonna work as well because it's already infer this type. But yeah, let's do it by the same way. Okay, and here when we did that. Okay, so this is the question: how we can find out this? You can pull out this code. It's we can use a switch like this. So for switching in case of product barcode, if it's PC, let number, manufacturer, product, and check, and print that one. And this guy, okay? And we can run it and you will see QR codes. You may say why it's didn't pick up this one and picked up this guy, because the last part we update we did this, so this gonna override this one with this with QR code. If I make this one comment and run, you will see just say barcode. Okay, so this is so you find out we by this we can declare it or define it, and by this switch case and with using let we can get the variables from that. Or also if all associated value for any enumeration care are extracted as constant, or if all are extracted as a variable, you can place a single var or let. Okay, so again, even we can go by this way. Same guide, instead of putting one let, we put let here and use that. This is another way we can use it. Okay, so that was all for associated value. In next part we will learn about raw value. Make sure to review that because you need to find out what's different between raw value and associated value and enumeration. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to be subscribed for more video all coming every day. And if you have any question, please ask in comment below. I will be more than happy to help you and answer your questions. And I wish the best for you. Have a good one. Bye bye.